Okay. For the purpose of preparing journal, okay, we classify the accounts into what category? Personal accounts, real accounts, and what? Okay, where we debit receiver. What do we debit? And of course, credit the giver. Real accounts, we debit what comes in and credit what goes out. Nominal account, we debit expenses and which one? Assets, and we credit incomes and gains. Simple. Okay. Personal accounts and real accounts are recorded in balance sheet. These two things are recorded in which one? Balance sheet. Nominal accounts are recorded in which account? Trading P&L, trading profit and loss account. This is the basic thing. Then, after preparing journal, we post in what? Ledger. One of the most important ledger is cash book. Cash book. There are different types of cash book. One is simple cash book. Okay, simple cash book, it will have, for example, if you prepare the simple cash book, it will have date column, particulars column, rupees, that's all. That's all. Simple. Only cash transaction will be entered. Only what will be entered? Cash transaction will be entered. For example, 1/1/2023. To balance brought down. Only cash items will be recorded. Opening balance, like all cash collection will be recorded. It may be cash sales, income collected, etc. will be recorded. Then all the cash payments will be recorded. Okay, then you will arrive at which balance? Closing balance you will arrive at. This is simple cash book. Second, double column cash book. Generally, the cash book, double column cash book will contain, okay, cash and bank column will contain which column? Same thing will be there, but it will have which column? Cash column and which column? Bank column. Okay, simple. All cash transaction you entered in cash column, bank check related transaction you enter in which column? Bank column, like that. That is called as which one? Double column cash book. Third, triple column cash book. Okay, simple, the same cash book. Okay, it will have entries for even discounts. Debit side, discount allowed will be there or received will be there. Discount allowed will be there. Reason is debit all expenses and losses. That is one reason. Second reason is while getting the cash, we will allow the discount. On the same way, on the credit side, what you will find is discount received. This is a triple column cash book. Okay, in the triple column cash book, what will be entered? Opening balance will be entered 1/1/2023. To balance brought down. Okay. The cash balance may be 34,000, bank balance may be 45,000. Example I am telling. On 1/1/2023, we sold goods for cash. Where will we record? To sales. In cash column, we will record like 23,000. Then on 10/1/2023, we collected money from debtors. Check will receive pannirukkom. Bank account debtor to which account? Debtors account, some 60,000 is received. Then on 15/1/2023, we collected, let us assume, rent. To rent, cash account data to rent 12,000. Then on 18/1/2023, let's assume we received dividend in check. It will go to which column? Bank column. Let's assume some 34,000 we collected. Then on 19/1/2023, we deposited cash in bank. What is the entry for depositing cash in bank? Bank account debtor to cash account. To cash account, it will be entered as contra. In bank column, let us assume we deposited 7,800. Why do we record in bank column? Debit the receiver. Debit the receiver. It will be recorded as 19,123. By bank. By bank, contra entry in cash column, how much will be recorded? 7,800. Why are we crediting cash? It goes out. Credit goes out. Debit the receiver. Bank is receiving, debit it. Cash goes out, you credit it. Let's assume on 22/1/23, we made payment for purchases, cash purchases. It will be recorded in which column? Cash column. Some 48,000 we paid. Then on 18/1/2023, we paid to creditors by check. It will come in which column? Bank column, some 80,000. Okay. Then on 21/1/2023, we withdrew cash. What is entry will come? By cash in bank column. By cash, it's a contra entry in which column? Bank column. Sorry. By cash in which column? Bank column we have taken. Let us assume some 9,800. It will appear as contra entry in which side? Debit side also. 21/1/23 to bank. Contra entry in which column it will come? Cash comes in, debit what comes in? Debit what comes in? Then on 31st March 23, we close the balance. We close the balance and we write by balance carried down. By balance carried down, we debit minus credit pannu. Debit pannittu minus credit transaction we will do. This is cash balance, 23,000. Same way, we lower out which balance? Bank balance also. We add up all the debits minus credits we do, we get bank balance. So this cash book is maintained by who? Customer. This cash book is maintained by who? Customer. Okay, what is the balance in bank? 57,000 is the balance in bank. Now while collecting money, when we allow discount, it will be recorded here. While paying money, if the discount is received, it will be recorded here. In separate which column? Discount column. This will be transferred to P&L account. Discount allowed and received will be transferred to which account? It will not tally. Total of discount allowed will be transferred to P&L account. Total of discount received also, it will be taken to which account? P&L account. It's a sample of triple column cash book. In the examination, they will not ask you prepare cash book. Okay. And they cannot ask you preparation of which one? Cash book also. So they can ask you total of discount allowed is A, paid tallied, B, transfer to debit side of P&L account, transfer to credit side of P&L account. None of these. Transfer to discount allowed as an expense, debit side of P&L account. Discount receipt will be transferred to credit side of P&L account. Okay. Then it will not be tallied. It will not be tallied. Okay. Then cash and bank column will come. This is an example of which one? Triple column cash book. Now, passbook is maintained by the banker. Passbook is maintained by the banker. Okay, passbook will have columns like this. Date, particulars, debitor, creditor. Okay, amount, balance, is it credit or debit? It will be like a statement. It will be like a statement. 1/1/2023. 1/1/2023. Opening balance. How much was their opening balance? Bank balance? 45,000. 45,000. It will be a which balance? Credit balance. Remember, for the customer, money in the bank is a debit balance. Debit the receiver. Money in the bank is a debit balance. For the bank, money given by the customer is a credit the giver. Credit the giver. Let's assume you are a customer. I am a banker. You debit whenever you deposit money. Debit the receiver for you. For me, credit the giver. So customer balance will have which balance? Credit balance. Then again, any deposit made? Yes. 10/1/23. 10/1/2023. Okay. Check deposited. Okay. Credit amount. Credit amount how much? 60,000. Then they will add 45,000 plus 60,000. Totally it become what? 1,05,000. It's a which balance? credit balance. Like this, you can see the bank statement also. Then again, what happens next? 19.1, what happens? Or before that, paid to creditors. Paid to creditors. When it is paid to creditors? 18.1, 2023. Okay, checks issued. Checks cleared, like that they will record. Debit they will do. How much is paid? How much is paid? 80,000. So 1,05,000 minus 80,000 went out. The credit balance will be there. Again, 19.1, 2023 we are depositing, or 18.1 we are getting a dividend also. 18.1, 23 we are getting which one? Dividend. Check number, like that it will be there. It will be credited in passbook. Evlo credit pannirupom? Dividend 34,000. So 25,000 deposit ஆயிருக்கும் இல்லையா? Deposit na credit பண்ணுவாங்க. 25,000 plus 34,000 total credit எவ்வளவு balance இருக்கும்? 59,000 will be there again. 19.1, 23. Okay, cash deposited. Cash deposit credit பண்ணுவாங்க. எவ்வளவு credit பண்ணுவாங்க? 7,800. 7,800. 59,000 plus 7,800. It will have which balance? Credit balance, like that it will be there. Then again on 21.1, what do? We withdraw money. 21.1, 23 cash withdrawn. What is the cash withdrawn? Debit பண்ணுவாங்க. How much they will debit? 9,800 they will debit. So 66,800 minus 9,800. It will give us which balance? Closing credit balance. What is 2 minutes? Closing credit balance, like that it will come. Closing credit balance, like that it will come. Wait. Now, what is our balance? 57,000. What is the passbook balance? Both are same. Both are same. Do you require any reconciliation? What do you mean the reconciliation? Verify. Checking the difference. Checking the difference. What do you have to do here? Bank balance also 57,000. Okay, as per customer record it is 57,000. As per banker record also it is 57,000. Okay, let us assume. What is the check deposited? What is the check deposited? 60,000. Let's assume banker has collected only 50,000. Banker has collected only 50,000. What is the check issued? 80,000. In the bank only, let us assume 70,000 is presented. Only 70,000 is presented for payment. Now, okay, that's 80,000. Okay, let us assume only 65,000 is presented for payment. Now, what will happen? Balance will differ. What is the balance as per your record? 57. What is as balance as per bank record? 62,000. Here we have to reconcile. Here we have to reconcile. So, what is the bank reconciliation statement? Simple. It is prepared to identify the difference between which one? Cash book and passbook. Cash book and which one? Passbook. So that is which one? BRS. So BRS is required only when there is a difference. Only when there is a difference. Now start notes. BRS. Everybody start. Bank reconciliation statement. See, many of you would have followed a format for reconciliation. You would have followed a format for reconciliation. That is not required. That is not required. It's one line. You can solve any problem using that one line. Start. Bank reconciliation statement. Start. It is a statement prepared. It's a statement prepared. It's a statement prepared to rectify or to reconcile difference between cash book and passbook. It is a statement prepared to reconcile the difference between which one? Cash book and which book? Passbook balances. Now, who maintains cash book? not cash column, bank column is verified with passbook. Please take it. Cash book bank column maintained by the customer is verified with passbook maintained by whom? Banker. Reason for difference is it can be a timing difference. Okay, time of entry in the cash book and passbook is different. Either we enter in the cash book first, next in the passbook. Sometimes they enter in the passbook first, it comes to which one? Cash book next, like that. First reason is which difference? Timing difference. Second reason is errors. Second reason is which one? Errors. How to reconcile? That is, analyze the reason for difference. How to reconcile? That is, how to reconcile or how to analyze the reason for difference. Only one thumb rule, only one right rule. Adjust according to the other party. If you understand this line, then entire BRS is over in one line. No need to remember any format, no need to move hands, no need to check debit or credit with fingers. Okay, no need to mug up any particular format. Okay, adjust according to which party? Other party. Shall we? Don't copy this. Listen to it. Example number 1. What is the one line rule I have given you for BRS? Adjust according to the other party. Listen to this. Balance as per which book? Cash book is given. Debit balance means normal balance. Debit balance means which balance? Normal balance. Listen. So when we are starting balance as per cash book is maintained by who? Customer. Who is other party? Bank. Simple. Adjust according to the bank. When your starting point is which one? Balance as per cash book. Balance as per cash book. We are customers. We have to adjust our record according to the other party. So how to adjust it? Very simple. We have added something. Banker has not added. Banker add pannala. What to do? We have added. Customers we have added. Banker has not added. What to do? Reduce it. Sometimes we would have deducted. Check issue pannune, we will deduct it. But banker would not have deducted. What to do? Add it back. Simple. Adjust according to the other party. You can look at the other way also. Banker has added something. I have not added. What to do? Add it now. Banker has deducted something. We have not deducted. Now what to do? Let us also deduct it. Simple. When you are starting balance as per cash book, what is our target? Balance as per which one? Cash book is our objective. How to reconcile? Very simple. Adjust according to the other party. So 65,000 is the balance as per which one? Cash book. Checks deposited but not collected means inflow check. Check deposited. While depositing the check, what you would have done? You would have added. Whether the banker has added? No. What to do? Less 4,000. 40,000. Okay. Banker has not added, but customer has added. Who are we now? Starting point. Customers. Why customer? Balance as per cash book. So check deposit pannone nam add pannirpom. Bank add pannala enna pannunga? Less. Checks issued means outflow check. While issuing the check, what we would have done? We would have reduced. Whether the banker has reduced? No. So add it. Why add it? Number reduce pannirpom, bank reduce pannala. What to do? Add it back. 23,000. This is minus 40,000. Okay, then direct deposit by customers into bank account. Our customers have directly deposited money in bank. Bank would have added. Have we added?
No.
Added. Simple. Banker add பண்ணிருக்கா நம்ம add பண்ணல என்ன பண்ணுங்க add பண்ணிக்கங்க. Interest credited in passbook only. Credit means deposit. Credit means which one? Deposit. Whenever you are receiving money into the bank account, credit is equal to deposit. In the passbook, this interest is credited means they have added. Bank has added. Customer add பண்ணிருக்கானா? இல்ல, let us add it. Add how much? 250. Then bank charges in passbook only. Bank has charged. Bank reduce பண்ணிருக்கான். நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்? Let us also reduce it. Less 400. Less 400. This will give us balance as per which one? Passbook. Simple. Adjust according to which one? Other party will get the other party's one. Any doubt in it? நம்ம add பண்ணிருக்கோம், banker add பண்ணல, eliminate it. We have deducted, banker has not deducted, so what to do? Add back. This banker has added to our bank account, so let us also add it. This also banker has added in our bank account, we have not added, add it. Then this bank charges made in the passbook only, they have deducted it, we have not deducted, so என்ன பண்ணுங்க? Less. So balance as per passbook. Adjust according to the other man, you will get the answer. Try this question. You try this question. Okay, now what I am requesting is, try in the sense, do plus and minus part alone. As I told you earlier, don't need to copy this question. நீங்க என்ன பண்ணணும்னா plus minus அது மட்டும் அசைன் பண்ணி சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். For example, add 6000 அந்த மாதிரி சும்மா less 3500 இந்த பார்ட் மட்டும் உங்க நோட்புக்ல ரஃப் ஒர்க் பண்ணுங்க. Okay, because this working is going to come to you. No need to take up this. Let us save time. இந்த full எடுத்துட்டு time waste பண்ணிருக்க வேண்டாம். Okay, just decide plus or minus for everything. உங்க நோட்புக்ல இது plus or minus அது மட்டும் மார்க் பண்ணுங்க. Then I'll explain that also. This is a balance as per which one? Who are the customers? According to the banker, we would adjust. According to the banker, we would adjust. Try பண்ணுங்க. Think பண்ணி try பண்ணுங்க. No issues. Shall we discuss 73,000 இருக்கு இல்லையா? What do you mean by uncollected check? We have deposited the check but not collected by the bank. We have deposited the check but not collected by the bank. While depositing, what we would have done? We would have added. Whether the banker has added?
No.
No. What to do? Less 6,000. Don't decide just plus minus. 3-step process. See what happened in cash book. See what happened in passbook. Then decide plus or minus. We have added this 6,000. Banker collect பண்ணல. So reduce it. Unpresented check means outflow check. Outflow check. We have issued the check. While issuing the check, what you would have done? We would have reduced. We would have reduced. Whether the banker has reduced, no. What to do? Add 3,500. Add 3,500. Charges in passbook only. Banker has reduced. Banker has reduced, but we have not reduced, so less 200. Less 200. Then wrong credit in passbook. What do you mean by credit in passbook? Is it deposit or withdrawal? Credit in passbook. Credit in passbook means deposit. Deposit. So wrong credit or right credit or illa. Okay, banker has added. Let us also add it. We are not here to rectify. We are not here to rectify. Add how much? 750. Excess debit in cash book. We debited more in cash book. We added more in cash book. We added more in cash book. Appa enna pannum? Less 1,250. In cash book, debit side means deposit side. We have added more in the cash book, so eliminate it. Then checks deposited. What you would have done while depositing? We would have added it. Whether the banker has added, no, it is dishonored. It is dishonored means not collected, not collected. So banker has not added. So what to do? Less 2230. Then bills receivable sent for collection. While sending the bill for collection, We would have added. It is not payment. It is a receipt. Bills receivable is a receipt. We would have added. We would have added. We would have added. Whether the banker has added, no. What to do? Less. Less 4,500. நம்ம ஆட் பண்ணிருக்கோம், பேங்கர் ஆட் பண்ணல, அதனால மைனஸ் பண்ணிக்கோ. So 63,070 is the balance as per which one? Passbook. So they will not give you this much. They will not give you this much. Only one or two transactions they may give it to you. Done? Now for this question, decide plus or minus. Balance as per cash book, debit balance is given to us. We are given various adjustments. Find out balance as per passbook. First பாருங்க, check எவ்வளவு deposit பண்ணிருக்கோம், but they have collected only 34,000. What is not collected? 22,000 not collected. So minus 22,000. Once again I repeat, in the cash check, in the cash book we have added 56,000. நம்ம எவ்வளவு ஆட் பண்ணிருக்கோம்? 56. But bank எவ்வளவு ஆட் பண்ணிருக்கோம்? Only 34,000. What is not added? The banker has not added 22,000. Eliminate that. நம்ம excess ஆட் பண்ணிருக்கோம் இல்லையா, அதை eliminate பண்ணீங்க. This is like checks not collected by bank. Next பாருங்க, என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கோம்? Checks issued means we have deducted 67,000, but banker would have deducted only 38,000. So add how much? 29,000. Checks issued but not paid by the banker. Then insurance premium paid by the bank. What the bank would have done? Bank would have reduced. Bank would have reduced. Have we reduced? No, reduce it now. Minus 3,000. Bank less பண்ணிட்டா, நம்ம less பண்ணல. இப்போ என்ன பண்ணணும்? Reduce பண்ணுங்க. Payment as per standing instruction. நம்ம instruction கொடுத்திருக்கோம், அதுபடி payment பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Okay, this would have recorded in which one? Passbook only. Passbook level record பண்ணிருப்போம். 6750 they would have deducted. Let us also deduct it. 6750. Then dividend income directly deposited into the bank. Direct customer deposit பண்ணனும், bank would have added. Let us also add it. Let us also add it. Then direct deposit by customers into bank account. Bank has added. Let us also add it. 8450. Payment as per standing instruction. Once again, the bank would have deducted. Let us also deduct it. Checks deposited but not collected. Deposit பண்ணிருக்கோம், we would have added. Banker has he added? No. So what to do? Minus 3,700. Discount column in the debit side of cash book was also posted in which column? Bank column. Discount in the debit side of cash book 300 was also posted in bank column. Think. See, this discount 300 rupees. This also was posted in which column? Bank column. Actually, discount column record பண்ணிருக்கணும், but wrong நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம்? Bank column record பண்ணிருக்கோம். Because of this, what would have happened? For example, without a discount, what is the balance? 57,000. When I post this discount 300, it will become what? 57,300. So when I post the discount also in bank column, balance would have been added. Customer நம்ம வந்து தப்பா ஆட் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கோம். Okay, so என்ன பண்ணணும்? Minus 300. Discount allowed, we have posted in bank column. Because of this, what would have happened in cash book? Our balance will be more by 300, so eliminated. Excess credit in cash book. Credit means deposit or withdrawal? excess credit in cash book, not passbook. Cash book la credit பண்ணிருக்கோம். Cash book la credit ஒண்ணு withdrawal. Debit not deposit. Credit means withdrawal in cash book. Excess credit in cash book. Credit side la we have put more amount. Payment side la we have put more amount. When you put more amount in the payment side, what will happen? Balance will come down. Balance will come down. We want bank balance. Now what to do? Cash book, payment side, we have put how much? Extra 4,300. Our balance will be low. Our balance will be low by 4,300. To get the passbook balance, what to do? Add 4,300. Now my balance come here. Passbook balance will be more. So what to do? Add. Otherwise, credit side la potirukom, payment has been recorded wrongly. When you record a wrong payment or wrong amount, what will happen? The balance will be low in the payment side. So our balance will be low because of this. So add back. Next, cash withdrawn from bank was for personal use was wrongly recorded as which one? Normal withdrawal. What is the entry for cash taken for personal use? Drawings account data to bank account. It's withdrawn from bank. It's a correct one. What is the wrong one? Cash account data to bank account. See, instead of debiting to drawings, we debited to which account? Cash account. Wait, whether your bank column is affected because of this? No. Anyhow, bank column it is recorded. So no error or no rectification required. Once again, drawings account record pannu, bill and account record panto, cash account. Look at the bank column. Is there a mistake in bank column? No mistake in bank column means simple. In cash book also it is deducted. In passbook also it would have been what? Deducted. No reconciliation required. No reconciliation required. So this will not be tested for 1 mark. Probably 1 or 2 adjustments in this can be tested. 1 or 2 adjustments can be tested. I will give you a question. You are going to let us do it along this particular thing. Example number 4. Example number 4. Don't take it up as usual. Please listen. Cash book balance, debit balance. Don't copy this. Don't do this. Wait, I'll give you the thing. How much is there? Cash book balance, debit balance? 60,000. Uncollected checks, 4,000. What will you do? Now, deposit pannu you have added, banker has not added, so what will you do? Minus 4,000. Rent paid, not recorded in cash book. Not recorded in passbook or cash book? Cash book. Which means it is recorded in passbook. Passbook, rent paid. What will happen? Bank will deduct. Bank will deduct 450. Let us also deduct 450. Let us also deduct 450. Dividend received not shown in passbook. Which means we received the check, we kept it in cash book, not recorded in passbook. What will we do? We would have added. Whether the banker has added? No. Let us assume it is 750. Minus 750. Cash withdrawn not shown in cash book. Cash withdraw panna bank enna pannuva? They would have reduced, but we have not reduced, so what to do? Minus. So this will give us which one? Balance as per passbook. Now we have started with normal balances. We'll go with OD balance. Example number 5. credit balance. They can give you credit balance or OD balance. Or which balance? OD balance as per cash book. 60,000. Okay. And they have given these adjustments. Now what will you do? Simple. Don't change the sign for the OD balance. Don't keep it as minus and do it. Because in the examination, you are not going to solve paper pen exam. It's going to be what? MCQ you are going to choose. So, don't assign any other sign. So, நிறைய பேர் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, நீங்க minus வச்சுட்டு போடுவாங்க. That is wrong. Because you may get a wrong answer. You may get a wrong answer. So, simple. Keep OD as OD. How much? 60,000. Do the normal adjustment. Do the normal adjustment. At the end, change the sign for the adjustment. Change the sign for the adjustment. For example, check deposited but not collected. If it is normal, what we would have done? Suppose it is normal balance, என்ன பண்ணிருப்போம்? Less பண்ணிருப்போம். Since OD is a starting point, since OD is given, என்ன பண்ணணும்? Since OD is a starting point, what to do? Add 40,000. Simple. If it is a normal balance now, what we would have done? We would have reduced. Since OD is a starting point, just change the sign. For example, checks issued but not paid by the bank. While issuing the check, what we would have done? We would have deducted. Whether the banker has deducted, what will you do? We will add. If it is a normal balance, we would have added. Since OD is a starting point, change the sign. Minus 23,000. Okay. Then, direct deposit by customers into bank. If it is a normal balance, what we would have done? We would have added. We would have added because banker has added. Let us also add it. Since OD is a starting point, minus 2,005. Then interest credited in passbook only. Banker has added. Let us also add it. Let us also add it. But OD starting point is minus 250. Then bank charges in which one? Passbook only. The banker would have deducted. Let us also deduct it. But since OD is a starting point, we add 400. This will give us OD as per simple. If OD is a starting point, everything you think in the normal way. But change the sign alone for which one? Adding and reducing. Just change the sign alone for which one? Adding and reducing. Shall we do one more problem? For the same example. Okay, OD balance as per cash book, credit balance. How much? 73,000. அதுக்கு minus எல்லாம் assign பண்ணாதீங்க, அப்படியே வச்சுக்கணும். Uncollected checks. Uncollected checks. We deposited, we would have added. Whether the banker has added, no. Normal என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? Less பண்ணுவோம். Since OD is given, what to do? Add. How much? 6,000. Then unpresented checks issued, we would have deducted. Bank deduct பண்ணல. இப்ப என்ன பண்ணணும்? Add பண்ணணும். Normal balance அந்த add பண்ணணும். Since OD is a starting point, less 3,500. அந்த மாதிரி change the sign. Charges in passbook only. Banker has reduced. We will also reduce it. If normal balance is given, since OD is a starting point, add 200. Wrong credit in passbook. Bank credit பண்ணிருக்காங்க, passbook they have added. Let us also add it. If it is a normal balance, since OD is a starting point, minus 750. Excess debit in cash book. Payment side, we put more amount. Our balance will be low. If it is normal, we would have added. Since OD is a starting point, less 1,250. Then checks deposited. While depositing the check, what we would have done? We would have added. Whether the banker has added? No. For normal, less பண்ணணும். But OD starting point, okay. So, I'll reconcile. excess debit, oh sorry, excess credit எடுத்துட்டேன் நான், sorry, excess debit in which one? Cash book. நம்ம எக்ஸ்ட்ராவா ஆட் பண்ணிருக்கோம், OD ஸ்டார்டிங் பாயிண்ட்னால ஓகே, நார்மல்னா லெஸ் பண்ணிருப்போம், OD என்ன பண்ணும், add 1000. Checks deposited we have added, banker has not added, so என்ன பண்ணும், less, but since OD is a starting point, change the sign. Bills receivable sent for collection, we would have added, but banker has not collected, means what we should do, we should reduce it, since OD is a starting point, do the reverse, 4,500. This will give us which one, OD as per passbook, OD as per passbook. Simple. Do the normal adjustments, think in the normal way. If OD is given, change the sign. The OD is given, just change the sign. Done? Now, so far we were assuming the role of customer. According to the bank, we adjusted. Next, suppose balance as per passbook given. For 60,000 கொடுத்திருக்கோம். When starting point is balance as per cash book or passbook, we should assume now as a, who are we know? Bank. According to the customer, நம்ம adjust பண்ணணும். Customer add பண்ணிருக்கானா, let us also add it. Customer deduct பண்ணிருக்கானா, let us also deduct it, like that you have to think. What is the starting point? Balance as per passbook. Now, who are we now? Balance as per passbook. Now, who are we now? Banker. According to whom we have to adjust? According to customer we have to adjust. Maybe I will give the same examples. Uncollected checks. Customer, while depositing the money, what you would have done? We would have added. Who are we now? Banker. Let us also add it. Why are we adding? We are doing balance as per which one? Passbook. We are banker. According to customer adjust panna, we will get his balance. Okay. Uncollected check means customer has deposited the check. We have not collected. While depositing the check, what the customer would have done? You would have added. Let us also add it. Rent paid not recorded in cash book. While paying rent, what we would have done? Less per info. Whether the customer has reduced, no. What to do? Add 4. Okay. Dividend received not shown in passbook only. Dividend received shown in which one? Passbook only. We have added dividend received. We have recorded in passbook. Means we have added in passbook. Customer add பண்ணிருக்கானா? இல்ல. என்ன பண்ணுங்க? 750 minus. We have added, customer not added, so minus 750. Cash withdrawn not shown in cash book. Cash customer withdraw panna, what the bank will do? Bank will reduce it. Whether the customer has reduced? No. Add 800. We'll get which one? This is balance decide பண்ணுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Balance as per passbook. Credit balance how much? 65,000. Who are we now? Banker. According to whom we would adjust? Customer. Checks deposited. While depositing the check, what the customer would have done? Add பண்ணிருப்போம். நம்ம add பண்ணிருக்கோமா? So added. According to customer we would adjust. We are banker. We are just playing banker role. checks issued, while issuing the check, what the customer would have done? Reduce பண்ணிருப்பான். நம்ம reduce பண்ணிட்டோமா? இல்லை. So, reduce it now. Customer க்கு ஏத்த மாதிரி adjust பண்ணுங்க. Customer has reduced, let us also reduce it so that we'll get government's balance. Direct deposit by customers into bank. Banker would have added. We have added. Okay. What about our customer? No. So, minus 2,500. Bankல நாம் add பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கோம். Customer add பண்ணல, so reduce it. Interest credited in passbook only. We have added only in passbook. Customer add பண்ணல, minus 250. Then, bank charges in passbook only. We have reduced 400. Customer reduce பண்ணல. என்ன பண்ணணும்? Add. Bankல நம்ம reduce பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கோம். Customer not reduced, so customer reduce பண்ணல. Add it. You will get, this is which one? Balance as per which one? So adjust according to the other party. Adjust according to the other party. Let me start with debit balance. Which balance? Debit balance as per passbook. Now, this which balance? OD balance. OD balance how much? 60,000. Wait, our starting point is balance as per which one? Passbook. Who are we? Starting point is passbook. Now, we are banker. According to the customer, we have to adjust. According to the customer, we have to adjust. Now, wait, it is debit balance means which balance? OD balance. Okay, so let us see what to do. Pay attention. Checks deposited but not collected. Normal na enna pannirupom, since it is OD na enna pannum. Wait, please remember balance as per which one starting point? For the bank. According to whom we have to adjust? Customer we have to adjust. Okay. Checks deposited. While depositing the check, what the customer would have done? He would have added. What we should do? We should also add it. We should also add it if it is a normal balance. Since OD is a starting point, less 25,000. Okay. Checks issued. While issuing the check, what the customer would have done? He would have reduced. What we should do? We should also reduce it. We should also reduce it. But since OD is a starting point, what we do? Add. Then, direct deposit by customers into bank. We collected money from customers. We have added. Whether the customer has added? No. So, normal enna pannirupom? Less. Since OD is a starting point, what do we do? Add 5,600. Now, add pannirukkom, customer add pannala, minus pannunga. But OD starting point enna pannum? Reverse. Interest credited in passbook only. We have added. Whether customer has added? No. So, what to do? Less. Since OD is a starting point, do the reverse. Then, bank charges in passbook only. We reduced it. Whether customer has reduced it, now what we should do? We should add it. If it is a OD is a starting point. But since normal balance is a starting point, since OD is a starting point, do the opposite. Less. This will give us OD as per simple. Customer ke ஏத்த மாதிரி adjust பண்ணுங்க அவ்வளவுதான். When you start balance as per passbook, adjust according to which one? Customer. Adjust according to customer. Number one. Number two, If OD is a starting point, think normally, change the sign for the adjustment. Change the sign for the adjustment. This is one of the easy way in which you can remember which one. Reconciliation statements. Reconciliation statements. Look at the display. No need to go through your material. Otherwise, it is page number 137, something like that. It will come. Ignore that. Just go to the display sufficient. While preparing BRS, if you start with debit balance as per cash book. Debit balance as per cash book. Now, is it a normal balance or OD balance? Debit balance as per cash book. Normal balance. As per cash book. Now, who are we? Customer. We have to adjust according to the bank. Okay. Debit balance as per cash book. Now, normal balance. Who are the customer? Okay. Check sent to bank but not collected. Check sent to bank but not collected. While sending the check, customer, we would have added. While sending the check for collection, we would have added. Whether the banker has added? No. No. What to do? Deduct. Answer is B. Clear? While sending the check for collection, we would have added the balance. Banker add panna less. Then balance as per adjusted cash book is 274. Check it to be presented is how much? 730. Check deposited but not recorded by the bank. Balance as per cash book is how much? 274. Balance as per cash book. We are customer. According to the bank, we have to adjust. Checks not presented means we issued the check but not presented for payment. Okay, we would have deducted. While issuing the check, outflow check, we would have deducted. Bank deduct pannirukana illa pena pannu add. Then checks deposited but not recorded by the bank. From a deposit pannune, what we will do? We would have added. Whether the banker has added? No. Minus 477. Do it in calculator. 274 plus 730 minus 477. 527. Debit balance in cash book will be equal to credit balance in bank statement. Customer account la debit balance irukna, bank statement enna credit balance. Otherwise, cash book will show a debit balance which is normal. Passbook will show credit balance which is normal. Okay. Which type of errors are not detected? Which type of errors are not detected? Cash embezzlement by cashier. What do you mean by embezzlement? Taking the money, misuse of money. For example, I will collect money on 10th April. Okay. But I will record on 20th April only. Anyway, it is recorded. I will collect money on what date? 10th April. But I will record in which one? 20th April only. Anyhow, it is recorded. Or cash column. We are not considering which column. Okay. How BRS is prepared? By comparing cash column with passbook or bank column with passbook. Cash book la enna column compare பண்ணுவோம்? Are we going to compare cash column with passbook or bank column with passbook? Bank column with passbook. நம்மளோட bank column bank ஓட passbook compare பண்ணுவோம். Okay. Are we considered about cash column? No. So cash misused by the cashier cannot be revealed through which one? BRS. Then, which are the documents not required for BRS? Trial balance தேவையில்லை. We want bank column of the cash book, bank code of passbook or bank statement we want, but we do not want which one? Trial balance. We do not want trial balance. Wait. Look at the starting point. OD as per which book? Cash book. OD as per cash book. Who are we now? Cash book, customer. OD balance or normal balance? OD balance. You have to change the sign for the adjustments. Checks received entered twice in the cash book. Cash book la நம்ம ரெண்டு வாட்டி enter பண்ணிருக்கோம். 2 times add பண்ணிருக்கோம். 2 times we have added, but bank would have added only once. Bank would have added only once. என்ன பண்ணோம்? We should reduce it, but OD starting point நால என்ன பண்ணோம்? Add 5,000. Once again repeat. We received a check. We have added twice. We have added twice, but bank would have added only once. Bank would have added only once. என்ன பண்ணுது? Normal என்ன பண்ணும்? One time you have to minus. Since OD is a starting point, add. Then credit side of bank column is cash to short னு கொடுத்திருக்கோம். Credit side means deposit side. Sorry. Credit side of which one? Bank column is cash short by 500. Okay. Credit column, credit side of bank column. Withdrawal side. Debit side and deposit side. Bank column, passbook illa idu. Cash book la bank column. Cash book la which column? Bank column. Cash book la bank column. Cost enna sollirukkom? Short by 500. Wait padunga. The mistake is in cash book or passbook? Cash book. Bank column or column inga varum? Cash book la varum. Okay. Credit side na payment side. Payment side. Cash book la payment side la we have entered more amount or lesser amount? Lesser amount. Payment side la kammi amount enter panninam. Cash book, payment side, lesser amount entered. Think. Correct now. Others also think. Payment side, we have entered a lesser amount. Payment side, we have entered a lesser amount. Because of this, what happened? Payment side la kammiya potena balance will be more. Balance will be more. Which balance is more? Cash book balance will be more. Cash book balance will be more. We want passbook balance. What to do? Minus pannu. But OD starting point enna pannu? Add. Bank charges amounting to 200 entered twice. Bank charges amounting to 200 entered twice. Bank over direct பண்ணிருப்போம். Bank would have deducted only once, but we have deducted twice. What to do? Add 200, but OD is a starting point. Minus 200. Minus 200. Once again, bank deducted only once. We have deducted twice. So add back 200, but OD is a starting point. So minus 200. Checks issued but dishonored. Checks issued but dishonored. Check issue பண்ணும்போது what we would have done? We would have reduced. But whether the banker has reduced? No. What to do? Add it back. But OD is a starting point. Minus. Checks issued. We have deducted. Whether the banker has deducted? No. What we should do? Add back. But OD is a starting point. So minus. 80,000 plus 5,000 plus 500 minus 200 minus 2,000. What is the answer? 83,300. Take up this. Go through this. Which of the items are taken into consideration for preparing which one? Adjusted cash book. Mistakes in cash book. Mistakes in which one? Cash book. Then go to point number 8, which is most important for examination point of view also. OD as per which book? So are we? Customer. Normal balance or OD balance? OD balance. According to banker, we have to adjust. According to the banker, we have to adjust. Check 500 deposited into the bank, but not recorded in cash book. Wait. Check deposited 500 into the bank, not recorded in which one? Cash book. Think. check a deposit panna, bank will collect and they will add. Bank will collect and they will add. We have not done this in the cash book. We have not done this in the cash book. Bank add பண்ணிருக்கா, நம்ம add பண்ணல. என்ன பண்ணும்? Less பண்ணும். But OD is a starting point. Change the sign. Once again repeat. Who are we? Customer. Okay. How much of check deposited? What the bank would have done? They would have added our balance. நம்ம ஆட் பண்ணல. என்ன பண்ணணும்? ஆட் பண்ணல. பேங்க் ஆட் பண்ணிருக்கா, நம்ம ஆட் பண்ணணும். பட் OD ஸ்டார்டிங் பாயிண்ட் என்ன பண்ணணும்? -500. Check your book answer also. Question number 8, check the book answer also. Correct? ரொம்ப சிம்பிள். பேங்கர் ஆட் பண்ணிட்டா, நம்மள ஆட் பண்ணணும். பட் OD ஸ்டார்டிங் பாயிண்ட்னால do the opposite. -500. Next. Bank directly paid 1,200 for rent. Okay, as per standing instruction, we are starting with which one? Passbook OD. Who are we? Banker. நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம்? We have reduced. Whether customer has reduced, now what we should do? We should add back. Since OD is a starting point, what we should do? Minus. Once again repeat. Passbook is a starting point. Who are we? Banker. Okay. What we have done? 1,250 we deducted. Whether customer has deducted this, now what we should do? We should add back. Since OD is a starting point, less. So answer is D. நம்ம deduct பண்ணிருக்கோங்க, customer deduct பண்ணல. Passbook is a starting point. Okay, so நம்ம deduct பண்ணிருக்கோம், customer deduct பண்ணல. இப்ப என்ன பண்ணணும்? Add பண்ணணும். Since OD is a starting point, what to do? Less. Then credit balance as per passbook is a starting point. Credit balance means normal balance or OD balance? Passbook. Credit balance and a balance nothing. Normal balance. Okay. Bank charges are, wait. Who are we? Banker. Bank charges panna enna pannum? You would have deducted. Whether customer has deducted, what we should do? We should add back. Please remember, it is normal balance only. Credit balance as per passbook means, so is it OD balance or normal balance? Once again. We are starting with which one? Passbook. Now who are we? Banker. Credit balance or normal balance or OD balance? Normal balance. Bank charges, what we have done? In the bank we have deducted. What about the customer? Customer has not deducted it. What to do? Add back. Answer is B. BRS is prepared. Yes. We want to find the reason for difference between what? Cash and bank statements. Benefits for preparing BRS includes errors committed, delay in clearance, help to check actual bank balance. Answer is all of these. Debit balance as per passbook means bank OD. Passbook la credit irundha normal balance. Passbook la debit irundha OD. Debit balance in passbook, debit side of passbook represents credit side of cash book. Debit side of passbook represents what? Credit side of cash book. Difference between balance as per passbook and balance as per cash book on account of checks issued but not presented. Okay, checks issued but dishonored also will be there. Checks deposited credit and it will not differ. We have also added, banker also added, it will not differ. So answer is A and B. Answer is A and B. Both A and B. try to go through this fill in the blanks question also. They have given with answers. Okay, you can just go through them, try to go through them. See, apart from what we have done, if you go through them, that is more than sufficient. So for preparing BRS, what do? We adjust according to which one? We adjust according to the other party. Just according to the other party, you will get the answer for which one? BRS.